concerning, and my first thought was, oh no, when are the troops going to be here? I need to get down to ICE and show support down here.
After 11 days of deliberations, an appeals court handed the Trump administration a legal victory today, ruling President Trump can deploy National Guard troops to Portland. Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Anthony Castura, and this is the 10. Tonight, 2 out of those 3 federal judges froze a lower court's order blocking the Guard deployment. Our Ariel Yakabazi joins us live from the ICE facility in South Portland tonight. Ariel, the president claims the deployment is to protect federal employees and property, but this deal is far from over.
Yeah, Anthony, this latest ruling is the latest development in an escalating legal battle between the federal government and local leadership. This is all centered around the ICE facility here on the South Waterfront District in Portland. As you can see out here live right now, quite a few protesters, but also a huge federal presence here. A lot of vehicles are leaving the facility, which is pretty standard practice. But before our live shot tonight, the federal agents did spray the crowd with pepper balls, and they did seem to at least attempt to make a targeted arrest. So this is a lot of information in regards to this federal ruling, so let me break it all down for you. It's still unclear if troops would be deployed only to the ICE facility here on McAdam Avenue or elsewhere in Portland, including other federal buildings. One judge, Clinton-appointed Susan Graber, is now calling for an en banc hearing. That's a review by 11 judges instead of 3. Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield agrees, saying the state is joining that request to stop what he calls an illegal deployment under false pretenses. Lewis and Clark law professor Tung Yin says an en banc means this same case would get a second look, but by a larger panel.
There's no guarantee of getting en banc review. Parties might ask for it. They're typically denied because most cases are not worth taking up the time of 11 judges to rehear the particular matter. But this one might be one because the implications of this ruling go beyond just here in Portland.
Another key factor here are the 2 court orders blocking troop deployment. The Ninth Circuit Court overturned the first, but the second, issued by federal judge Karen Immergut, is still in effect. Law professor Tung Yin says she could lift that order at any time, or this whole process could play out again with an appeals court. Now back out here live, protesters tell me they're disappointed in the ruling, but they're remaining undeterred. They're still out here in a lot of numbers. They're out here strong. They've got their camp set up, and a lot of people are really standing their ground, and they plan to keep peacefully protesting even if troops arrive. Meanwhile, we've seen Portland police out here tonight as well. They're also standing strong. They're hoping to keep the peace with everybody, with or without troops. Anthony, back to you.
Ariel Yakabazi live first in South Portland. Ariel, thank you.